Hello, if you are considering relocating or retiring to Ecuador, we have the original crash course for getting to know Loja in the southern Andes Mountains. Life in Loja offers you a highly reviewed comprehensive tour of the city and surrounding neighborhoods, complete with private transportation, expert bilingual English-Spanish guides native to the area, and accommodations upon request. Make the most of your exploratory visit while you see if our peaceful, verdant city is for you. Visitors who have taken our tour praise it as an outstanding value. Our crash course offers a 2 or 3 day excursion which begins in the heart of Loja. We will show you everything you need to know about Ecuador's oldest colonial city, including street layout, business and shopping districts, the location of government and utility services, medical facilities, entertainment venues, urban parks, hotel and dining options, as well as urban rentals and real estate in this quaint, walkable city. On this first leg of your journey, it will become quickly apparent that things here are the same and yet engagingly different from North America. Currency, electricity for your electronic devices, major appliances, automobiles, driving, and even the time zone, Eastern Standard, are all the same as in the US. Food is available from modern grocery chains and big box stores, as are consumer goods to fit all of your needs. International dining is also very popular, and you will find your favorite dishes expertly prepared for dining out or home delivery. The second day of orienting to life in Loja takes you to popular suburban residential neighborhoods convenient to the city center. Quiet, well-kept streets dotted with public green spaces, cordial neighbors and apartments and single-family units for rent or sale will seem like home. Loja has modern neighborhoods that offer excellent values suited to every budget. A great cost of living coupled with our mild spring-like climate will be hard to resist. Visitors who prefer a rural lifestyle may consider adding the third leg of the tour, which takes you into the spectacular countryside surrounding Loja. Rolling hills and beautiful mountain peaks reveal farms, subdivisions, gated communities, and tiny hamlets and villages waiting for you to explore. Diverse microclimates offer a variety of environments within minutes of each other. You will have much to see in a short time. Life in Loja specializes in helping you make informed decisions about where to relocate. We work for you and only you, as we help you find property management or real estate representation that is right for you. If you have questions, comments about this video, or would like to book a crash course, contact Life in Loja.